And then these, oh, what are they called? Waxwings. Came in and ran the robins off. Looks like there's a standoff going on now. Then the blue jay came in and ran them all off.
I wanted to get that done so I can vacuum.
Then a woodpecker showed up. Look at that.
Yep, I see them. They said it's water. Well, they're sort of getting their little water.
Then after all of them got done, then the finches got back in it.
Look how many, huh? I think that's the most.
See how they're running off the robins? No,
Yeah.
the robin just ran off some of them.
That's the most that I've ever seen in that little bird thing.
Yeah, they're going a little bit bonkers with it.
Cold water. Woo-hoo-hoo.
Look at that. Wow, there's a lot of birds.
It's cold.
I think the blue jay is planning to come back over now.
It's cold.
I saw a blue jay's wings just in the background there.
I wonder if this is too soon to put this.
There's a woodpecker up there in the peak in the pear tree.
Oh, Dorothy Rayburn's son came over and helped. She actually got her big star up outside.
Cool.
And her elves. Apparently she had elves, and then I don't know if she let them go or what. And she looked everywhere for those elves, and she found them. They were from the 60s.
Huh.
So she got them outside. So I said, well, we're not quite done. She said, oh, I thought you were ahead of me. I said, no. I said, we're just moving slow. I'm working on the car.
There's a woodpecker up in the tree. I wish this thing had zoomed just a little more. Here it goes.
Perfect stocking tips. The Jewelry Exchange has 100-inch pearl strands for $29, 1-carat diamond and multicolored sapphire sets for $69, and diamond studs for $39. Thousands of gifts guaranteed to appraise for over $5.
I need to get my cards out.
And orchestra instruments, and they're on sale just in time for the holidays. See our new store just east of the Parks Mall. Mr. Eves, your music store since 1946. Live from Victory Park, you're watching Music Midday in high definition.
Good afternoon and thanks for joining us. A developing story this midday. Dallas Mavericks fans, another favorite from the championship team is leaving us. ESPN.com reports J.J. Barea is headed to the Minnesota Timberwolves. Barea said Dallas refused to offer deals that went beyond 1 year. He joins Tyson Chandler and Caron Butler as prime free agents to leave the Mavs. In other news, we're told backup forward Brian Cardinal, nicknamed the Custodian, has signed a 1-year deal to return. We're going to miss you, JJ. Well, a milestone for the DFW Connector project. It's halfway done and ahead of schedule.